Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this introduction video. Here in this section, we gather all the models about the water and air simulation Abaqus as a package here. If you are interested to the water modeling with CEL, SPH, acoustic Lagrangian model, or air, you can use this package. Click on title, then you will have the brief or short introduction of the water and air modeling in Abaqus. Then the definition, you can see it here, flow structure interaction model, computational fluid dynamics, CFD model, CEL model, acoustic model, or anything. And then the concept of the water and air modeling, equations, modeling approaches, and everything. Here you can see some figures of the models in the package. For instance, we have fluid structure interaction here by using CFD and static solver. You can see it here. This is the co-simulation, and then we have CL model here, for instance. Then we have the RLE for the Lagrangian part, and then for the air as the ideal gas or fluid cavity model we have, then the SPH method, Lagrangian method, explosion for the underwater explosion, I don't know, bending, slushing, blast, welding of the water jet welding, uh, and everything you can see. This is the acoustic one. You can see here there are some figures of the model in the package here. Also for non-Newtonian simulation here, you can see another model. You can read more about the water and air here and their applications. Then the challenges and tips here you can read. And then here we mentioned that the package contains 23 separate models. During these 23 separate model or simulations, you will learn all the modeling of water and air simulation in Abaqus in any models like the slushing, impact, I don't know, welding, explosion, everything. And these are the titles here of the models in the package. Here you can see here. The price of this package is 79 euros, and this is so affordable for all peoples. You can use PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before payment, contact me to this email to tell you more about the content of the package, the download links, I don't know, the payment way or anything that you need to know. I will be there to answer your questions. For now, thank you for your attention.